Guys, Shay is changing her stock base model neon bumper to the SRT4 bumper, and along with that we have to change the taillights. So that's why we buffed the taillights out last night to put the SRT tails in here. They look completely different. Let's grab one real quick. Huh? Taillights, yeah. So here is the SRT taillight, and here is the factory neon. You can see the reverse lights in a totally different location. Looks pretty cool. So to start this project, she's removing her taillights, which is So to take the taillights out, you gotta remove these little plastic nuts right here off of 4 little pegs in here. Only 3? Okay. Well, first gens there's 3. I mean 4. We're going to remove these 4 Phillips screws out of the bumper. And then once we get that, we'll jack it up and I'll show you the, there's 4 10mm or 3 or 4 10mm underneath of here holding this onto here. And then there's like 2 little screws holding a strap on right here, but we already ripped the strap off. And then we'll slide this off and install the SRT4 bumper. So once we get the tail lights out, you just push on them a little bit and they should pop out. Yeah, I'm gonna help her get those out and I'll be right back. Alright, so now we got the tail lights out. I can show you these 10mm. Let me turn the flash. So there's one 10mm and there's like 3 more down in there. I don't know if you guys can see. Come here.
No, there's one red one.
Coming here.
We're working on our cars at the Hawk shop, you know that. You want to remove your tag, and then we'll have to disconnect your tag light. We'll use your old one on my motorcycle.
It's like green though.
Huh?
It has green paint all over it.
I don't give a shit. It'll wipe off its plastic dip. So she's gonna remove her tag, and then I'm gonna get a jack out. We're gonna jack this bitch up so we can get the 10mm from underneath. And I'll see you guys in just a minute. Guys, we're back. Wow, did you hear that? Whoa. Alright, guys, we're back. And right now, we already took the other side off. We're taking this off. Now we're gonna pop these little push clips out. I use a pair of needle nose pliers. I pull them out, or I just rip them out too. That works good. Like that. Shay don't like it, but whatever. Get those out, then we can get the bolts from the inside out. So let me get this last one off and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got her out. Now we gotta remove this 10mm here, this one here, and that one right there. We use extensions on top of 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 extensions. Joe, that was very annoying. Take this one off here. Probably don't need any extensions, to be honest. Probably was overkilling it. Definitely didn't need all those extensions. Come on, you fuckhead. I'll be right back. So we got all 3 out. Now it's time to pull this bumper off. So gently tear it down, like that. Get someone to hold the camera while 2 of us pull it off. Bradley, hold this camera. Yu-Gi-Oh! Yu-Gi-Oh! I choose you. Ready?
What am I watching?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Diarrhea.
Just take it where the tape's at.
Oh shit. Don't forget to do that, YouTube.
Did you bend my shit when he hit me?
Drop your styrofoam.
So once you got rammed in the asshole,
On this side.
it was on this side. You can see it bent the metal right there and fucked it all up. That's not good. Not too bad.
Not too bad.
But it did crack the paint.
Yep.
covered by the bumper anyway.
That's a pain in the ass. That's like it's body structural damage. Some companies will total it out for that stupid shit. I don't see anything else hurt though. Just that little crack of paint. Knocked your little screen out of here.
Well, he knocked my fucking stereo out the dashboard.
I don't see anything else, Paul. Tear this tape off of here. Oh, I can't believe we used fucking painting tape. Oh, that's probably electric tape. It looked like white. I thought it was painter's tape or whatever. Just tear it off. Grab it right there. No? Okay. Do what you do then. Razor blade it. Oh, focus. Focus. Fire gone. Ice on. Green on.
Maybe wire the new one on here. We're gonna wire this bitch right.
Oh, it did.
Butt connectors.
Got a butthole connector.
Connect this asshole with that asshole. That thing sounds like shit.
Were you gonna go get an LED now?
Uh-huh. I wish I could just get the bulb and just get the one that actually straps up to the bumper.
Oh, they're ugly though. Yours looks better.
Then we're gonna have to glue it on this paint.
Alright, Brad, hold this camera, Ray.
What am I looking at?
We're gonna have to push them out. Hopefully you can stay. Pause it. We'll be back. Alright guys, here you go. Brad's gonna hold the camera. We're gonna bring the SRT bumper out. And we had to wash our hands, by the way.
Wait, where's the fucking hose at?
We're gonna go ahead and just tighten them down. Same way we took them off, guys. Got this side on. Move it over to this side. Your 3 bolts back on there. 1. Yeah. 3. Got the tailplate lining up. Huh?
I guess so. This one's crooked. It's always been like that.
Can't hear me what?
I said the one's crooked, but it's always been like that.
Let's see it now. Watch that. Oh yeah, that looks way cooler now. Yeah, we got 2 brand new ones, so they're perfectly straight. So we'll get those on there. This cap. Tighten all the way down. It's fine. It'll straighten out. Put your taillights in there. Let's find one of them taillights.
A bag.
Might want to wipe that compound off. That's
Give
up
me
to
a
you.
ride.
You can wipe it off when it's on the car. It's not gonna come off that easy.
Get it wet.
Just use my finger if you want.
But then you got cobwebs and shit all over it.
Oh well. It's gonna get cobwebs anyways.
Well, you might as well wipe the ones that are in there, wipe them out.
I just want to see what it looks like on the car, please. This little hole over here, yeah. Push. Can't tell if it's lining up. I guess we'll see once we're done. Yeah, dude, it looks tight now. Can't wait to get the wheels back on the ground. Alright guys, we're gonna put these screws back in here, tighten the taillights down, clean them up a little bit, watch Brad kill himself, and yeah, we'll be back and show you the end results. See you in a minute. Guys, here's another thing. Whenever doing the SRT bumper on the regular second gen, there's this little nipple right here you have to break off at the bottom of the tail light, not the top, the bottom. The top ones are fine. There's just no hole in here, so just bend through here. Perfect. Looks good enough, right? Yeah, should be. Because it wouldn't go in right unless we broke that piece off. Just making its own. What? Lose it?
That's different, don't it?
Looks cool.
Looks big time different.
Okay. Have some technical difficulties?
Yeah, because I can't fucking see for one.
It's a connoter valve.
Like the old battery's charging in.
It's a good charger. I love that charger. Usually it'll jump start anything. I don't know why I wanted to jump start my truck. Something was telling me not to go to work. It wasn't but 30 minutes later the highway stopped, so I think it was a sign.
Your car was out of gas, your truck wouldn't start with the battery.
It wouldn't even start with your truck. You got 2 batteries.
Something was definitely telling you to stay home.
That's how I think.
Get that much better, man.
Getting her? We'll be back. What's up, guys? Today we're doing a free bumper mod. So this is going to be a short, real easy video if you got SRT4 rear bumper and you want it to look different. We're going to push this up so it's straight across, and I'll show you how to do that. All you're going to need is 2 zip ties and to lay on your back and a pair of needle nose pliers. So you're going to want to remove these factory push pins and take them from there. Then we're going to take the zip tie, I'm going to run it through here. Through here, and then through this hole right here. And after I run through there, because it's going to take more than one hand, I'll be right back. We get it through there, zip it through, just pull it tight, and it's like it's meant to be. Do the same thing to the other side, and that's it. That's the SRT4 rear bumper mod. Slide my little bag over here, you don't want to lay your bag. Same idea of this side. Zip tie through here, zip tie through there. It was like it was meant to be. Be right back. Pull it tight and show you what she looks like. And that's what she looks like. Looks a lot better, don't it? I think it looks tight. Especially when you're rolling behind it. Yeah, I think that looks sick. Especially if all that exhaust was stainless. We'll get her to buy a stainless exhaust one of these days so it does look really sick. But yeah. Tell me what you guys think about the bumper mod. It looks sick. Alright guys, so that was it. If you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for another daily video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we'll show you one more shot of it once you got the wheels on and it laid down. So see you in just a second. That definitely looks way sicker. Close the trunk. Look at me photobombing it. Oh, that looks sick, dude. Yeah, take pictures while your tag's off. Unless you don't like your tag being in photos.
I don't give a shit.
I don't know you do.
Huh?
Looks sick though. Look at it from here.
I didn't like people seeing my tag number then.
Look.
I would delete it
All
out
right.
of all the pictures. I'd do it to other people's vehicles.
Okay, look.
I see it.
That looks sick though. Tell me what you guys think. If you think it looked great, let me down there in the comments. Now we just need some RT side skirts to go down the side. And an RT front bumper or some kind of lip for the front bumper. And then this thing will be perfect. Even looks great with my tag I put on there. Yeah. So thumbs up for Shay's car. Subscribe for Shay's car. Shay, happy? You like it? You give it a thumbs up? Sick. Peace.